The atoms that make up the human body are traceable to the crucibles that cooked light elements into heavy elements in their core under extreme temperatures and pressures. These stars, the high-mass ones among them, went unstable in their later years. They collapsed and then exploded, scattering their enriched guts across the galaxy. Guts made of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and all the fundamental ingredients of life itself. These ingredients become part of gas clouds that condense, collapse, form the next generation of solar systems, stars with orbiting planets. And those planets now have the ingredients for life itself. So that when I look up at the night sky, and I know that, yes, we are part of this universe, we are in this universe, but perhaps more important than both of those facts is that the universe is in us.
When the gods came around to blow me down,
I love Jacy since the moment I saw her. I've loved her more and more as the days go by.
When I met Jeff, I had a choice between moving away or staying with him. And I knew then, as I know now, that choosing him was the best decision I've ever made.
She's my best friend, and I'm absolutely infatuated with her. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with her. She's the best thing to happen to me.